Hey gamers! Fortnite's teaming up with Halo for Chapter 6 Season 4. Spartans, alien bugs, and epic new gear coming. Stick with GadInsider to get the full scoop. What's good, GadInsider crew? Epic Games just dropped a bombshell. Fortnite's Chapter 6 Season 4, titled Shock and Awesome, is bringing a Halo crossover. Let's dive into this epic collab. Epic Games confirmed the Fortnite Halo partnership with a teaser on X, showing two Halo Spartans checking out mysterious clues with the caption, "Yeah, we call the experts in for this one." Dropping August 7th, Chapter 6 Season 4 is set to blend Halo's iconic universe with Fortnite's wild vibe. Expect Halo-themed characters in the Battle Pass, new weapons, and gameplay mechanics straight out of the Halo playbook. The teaser also hinted at gas-emitting bug holes and creepy-crawlies, suggesting an alien or insect invasion storyline. This is gonna be a thrilling ride. Leaks are buzzing about creepy-crawly content, including a bee-themed starter pack with slick outfits, back bling, and pickaxes. Fans are hyped for this mix of Halo's sci-fi grit and Fortnite's colorful chaos. Could we see Master Chief dodging alien bugs or new skins battling it out? This crossover is shaping up to be a game changer, blending two legendary franchises for a fresh, action-packed season. That's the lowdown on Fortnite's Halo crossover for Chapter 6 Season 4. Are you ready to jump in on August 7th? Drop your hype in the comments. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more gaming news.